YouTube family, I like to say thank you all once again for tuning back in to your boy today, man. Thank you. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and like this video. And the number one thing I need you to do on top of liking this video, go ahead and sub to the channel, man. We're on our way to 10K. We scratching, we clawing, we definitely gonna get there with the help of you guys. So once again, I appreciate you all on that. As you can see, Lacoste Black Friday. Today is the day. They're one of the stores that's doing their Black Friday sale early. They're not going to wait till like after Thanksgiving, so we're definitely going to go in there and see what they have. There's a few things online that they had, and I'm hoping that they got it in the store, because it'll be two sneakers that I'll be showing you guys today. The first sneaker, we're going to head up here to DTLR. Shout out to my boy Mal, man. Take care of me. I really truly appreciate it on these joints, so I'm gonna run up here and I'm gonna snatch these up from him. And I got another unboxing I want to show you guys today, another sneaker that I'm gonna put with the outfit that I have today. I'm hoping that they got it in store when we go in the shop for it. So yeah, man, once again, thank y'all for tuning in with your boy rocking out. So we're gonna head to this store and see what all they have. Let's go. So smile bag secured, man. Jordan 3 cements. We'll break these mugs down, let them open, get to the crib. Shout out to my boy Mal, man. I'm gonna drop his Instagram. Shout out to him, huge shout out to him. If it's not for him, most of my sneakers, like he blessed me with. So like he really compliment the fits, man. He the reason that I get the fits that I get. So shout out to him, man. finally made it home. Another bag secured right here. Shout out to the store, the brand Lacoste. So let's get into this first item right here. So I don't know why they wrapped it up. Well, I guess they wrap up all that stuff like that. So, but it's cool. We're gonna get into this joint right here so I can let you guys see what we got. This first item right here is like a navy, a white navy. Why am I saying navy? A light olive green hoodie from Lacoste right here. Dope. It's the big gator. I guess some stuff they had like the big alligator and the small alligator. This right here is the big alligator. And you guys will see more of what I'm trying to put together with this outfit. Just a simple hoodie. Stood out to me. So let me show you guys the other part of this that I'll be putting together. And the next item is this tan, light brown jean jacket, denim jacket, however you want to say it. I thought it had a croc on the front, alligator, crocodile there, but it doesn't. Now I grabbed this right here because this is going to complete the outfit that I'm trying to come up with. Nothing on the back of it, just the front, got the buttons on the front right here. So let's go ahead and let me show you guys what I'll be rocking with this to complete this outfit. Sneakers, that is. And last but not least, the sneakers to complete this outfit. These joints right here, I know my sneakerheads are familiar with this box. This is another Travis Scott shoe. So you guys can see the olive in the sneaker and the brown. So definitely this right here. And I was kind of confused because I was hoping that these colors would be the same because the shoes didn't come in at the same time, but they are definitely a go. These sneakers right here compared with this jacket right here. And we just bought the jacket because the bottom of the sneaker, as you guys seen, is this colorway. So let me throw this joint on real quick and just give you guys like a full view of how this will look. We'll complete the outfit. I threw this tan jacket over this green hoodie right here to match up with these sneakers. Now the bottom of this sneaker, like I showed you guys, is kind of like this same colorway, the brown tan colorway. I also followed with the olive to match the hoodie. So you guys do me a favor, make sure you comment down below. Let me know all your favorite items that you see in the store, or even if you like this right here, this joint that I ended up putting together with these sneakers. And to speak up and touch up on these sneakers, they did come with 2 different shoelaces. They came with a black pair of laces, and they came with a pink pair of laces. And the pink pair of laces, I already seen the outfit to critique with that. So you guys definitely stay on the lookout for that. And I forgot one thing. The sneaker that I wanted to show you guys that we did end up picking up were, shout out to my guy Mal again, DTLR. These right, they released today, these Air Jordan 3 black cements. Let me show you guys these joints. If I can get the box open. Just simple. These Air Jordan 3s, probably the most iconic Jordan 3 that there is. And it's that bread colorway. I don't really speak too much about the bread colorway, but the bread colorway in every Air Jordan is my favorite color. Like my favorite sneaker. Well, no, favorite colorway. The bread colorway is my favorite colorway in every Air Jordan sneaker. So in every Air Jordan sneaker that probably had the bread colorway, I probably copped the purchase. So these joints right here, yeah, they crazy. I don't have an outfit that I'm gonna put together yet with these, but stay tuned. I definitely put something together with them. So you guys, like I was saying, man, if you haven't already, go ahead and sub to the video. Sub to the video. Go ahead and like the video. Sub to the channel if you haven't already. And all my supporters, man, I truly want to say thank all of you guys. And please, if you haven't already, do not forget to comment if you like this outfit, if you think this is dope, this go together or not. Whatever you seen in the store that you potentially like, that you may go purchase. And yeah, go run it up, man, do that. And I just want to say once again, I thank each and every one of y'all for tuning in, checking out my video. I'm out.
Riding in the car, you probably can't even pronounce. Shawty got that ass, my tracks will truly make it bounce. Home run, hit her for the hometown. In the long run, killing with my own sound. Niggas vibes are out because I'm on now. Way up and I stay up like a drone now. Can't say sorry if I hit you with the mix. It's probably cause you hit me with the switch. Ayy, came in clubbing every time we hit the Ville. Tropicana twister, baby girl just wanna